The best crypto wallet. Do you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies without the risk of losing your money? Cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment vehicle. They are traded on exchanges and may be bought with US dollars, euros, or any other major currency. In addition, the blockchain technology that underlies cryptocurrency transactions allows them to be secure, private, and anonymous. Investing in cryptocurrencies can provide a solid return on your investment. So, how can you choose the best cryptocurrency wallet for your needs? You can start by watching this guide on how to choose the best cryptocurrency wallet. The right wallet can help protect your cryptocurrencies while keeping them secure and easy to access. Top 7 Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. Number 7. Ellipal Cold Wallet Gold Titan. Ellipal's Cold Wallet is a hardware cryptocurrency wallet, completely isolated from internet connections. It has been designed to keep your cryptocurrencies offline to avoid network traffic and security risks. Its air-gap design prevents any compromise in security and ensures maximum protection from any external attacks. It is fully customizable and ideal for both personal and business use, due to its small size and ability to house multiple currencies. It's equipped with an anti-tamper mechanism and provides a user-friendly interface to allow the users to easily manage their assets. Number 6. Kobo Vault Pro Cryptocurrency Hardware Wallet. The Kobo Vault Pro is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet that comes with a 4-inch touchscreen and a fingerprint sensor. It allows you to store, manage, and transact cryptocurrency securely. This is the most secure way to store your crypto assets. The Kobo Vault is 100% air-gapped and secured against hacking, malware, viruses, or any other malicious threats. It comes with a 4-inch touchscreen, a fingerprint sensor to keep your money safe from unauthorized access. It's a secure, easy-to-use way to store your cryptocurrency. Number 5. Ledger Nano S Cryptocurrency Hardware Wallet. Ledger is one of the most reputable hardware wallets in the market. A lightweight, minimalist wallet for the digital currency enthusiast. A perfect solution for storing multiple cryptocurrencies and a must-have for the cryptocurrency community. The Nano S is easy to set up and use and is a great way to store your bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. The Ledger is the most versatile and easy-to-use hardware wallet in the market. Store all your coins offline and only access them when needed. Number 4. Trezor Model 1 Crypto Hardware Wallet. Trezor is one of the most trusted wallets in the industry. The Model 1 is an upgrade of the original Trezor hardware wallet that provides more functionality, faster transactions, and improved user experience. With its innovative two-factor authentication system and tamper-proof architecture, it's the only device that allows you to keep your coins safe even if your phone is stolen. It has a built-in OLED display that shows your PIN code on screen for added security, and is compatible with the Trezor T app for iOS or Android. It can be used to store bitcoins, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies like Zcash and Monero. Number 3. Cent Biometric Wallet Cryptocurrency Hardware Wallet. Cent is a biometric wallet and cryptocurrency hardware wallet. It supports more than 20 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash. It is a multi-currency wallet which makes it easy to store and use. You can easily manage your private keys. Cent is a biometric wallet which is the first smart wallet that works with Bluetooth technology. It's the perfect balance between security and convenience. It is designed to make cryptocurrency investment easy for users. It provides secure storage of cryptocurrency assets. It protects your crypto from any risks of being stolen, lost, or even damaged. Number 2. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is the most secure way to manage your cryptocurrency. Designed by the creators of the original Ledger hardware wallet, the Nano X is a small USB device that you can easily carry in your pocket. It is the best device to store, send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies. This model comes preloaded with popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Zcash, and many others. It also supports other coins that are compatible with the Ledger Wallet app. Number 1. Steal Bitcoin Wallet for Hardware Wallet Backup. It's time to get serious about your Bitcoin wallet security. It's never been easier to make the switch to hardware wallets, but you need to protect your Bitcoin private keys. Enter the Steal Bitcoin Wallet. It's built to withstand a high level of abuse, and comes in a variety of styles and sizes to fit your lifestyle. This Steal Bitcoin wallet is made of hardened and tempered steel. It is compact in size and perfect for storing your bitcoins, private keys, or other items you don't want to leave on your computer. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a digital currency or form of money that uses cryptography for security instead of trust and central banking for issuance and regulation. It relies on an open network of computers to transfer value. A great cryptocurrency wallet allows for multiple transactions and different types of accounts. It allows you to have both fiat currency and cryptocurrencies in one place. There are different types of wallets to use: hardware, software, and web. Each has its pros and cons. The best type of wallet for you will depend on what you do with your cryptocurrencies. When it comes to cryptocurrency wallets, security is key. Keep your wallets protected by backing up your wallet files frequently and always making sure your computer is safe. Ultimately, the best cryptocurrency wallet is the one that keeps your cryptocurrencies safe. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment, and subscribe.